In today's video, I'll show you how to create an edgy opening where the background appears in broken pieces and then comes together to reveal your video. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when used as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Cut Up Backdrop, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the background appears in separated sections before forming the full frame, creating a bold and modern reveal. Use the duration slider to control how fast the pieces come together. Shorter duration makes the effect sharp and punchy. Longer duration slows it down for a more cinematic feel. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the cuts feel intentional and well paced. And that's it. You've successfully added a cut up backdrop reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.